guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made my loaded shrimp baked potatoes. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now let's cook. So guys, here I have my 2 large potatoes. I'm gonna be baking these for about 50 minutes to 1 hour, and you guys can either do the method that I'm doing right now, which is the baking method, or you guys can go ahead and use a microwave method, which will cook your potatoes a bit quicker. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook your potatoes. So yeah. So okay guys, I'm moving over to my shrimp. I'm gonna be seasoning my shrimp with Cajun season. And this is about 1.5 tablespoons of Cajun season. This is about 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, and I'll be sure to list all the ingredients down in the description below. And you want to just toss those in the season, just making sure each pieces gets coated. Now in a skillet on medium heat, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of corn oil. You're going to allow that to heat, then add your shrimp. Now I'm going to be cooking my shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's translucent. You don't want to overcook your shrimp because it gets rubbery and very tough. So yeah. So guys, I'm deglazing the skillet with half and half, and I'm just gonna mash the potatoes with it just to give it additional flavor. So guys, here we have our potatoes. I'm just gonna cut that and scoop out the middle. So guys, here we have the glaze that I made, and I'm just adding that to the potatoes. I'm gonna be mashing it, and guys, it tastes so good. This was so good, man. Just amazing. Now guys, I'm adding half teaspoon of garlic salt, and this was bomb. Like, this was so good. The mash, it tasted so good with that garlic salt, guys. Just amazing, man. It was so good. Now I'm gonna add cheese to that and then combine everything together. Now guys, you just want to stuff the mash in that shell, and you're just gonna mound that together. And guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also remember to turn on that post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, I'm adding cheese to the top, and also that shrimp, and you're just gonna stack them on there, guys. It doesn't matter the amount, just go ahead and stack them, honey. Oh my goodness. There were so many of the shrimp missing, man. I was just eating. I was just eating. But this was amazing, guys. So I'm gonna top it with a little more cheese, and I'm gonna bake these for about 5 to 6 minutes until the cheese is melted. And oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Just super amazing. It was so delicious, guys. I do hope you guys try this recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notification, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.